Мы прислушались к вам и сделали постер. Мы.
Means we or us, pronounced.
Ни.
It's the first person plural pronoun, referring to the speaker and at least one other person. It is the nominative case, indicating it is the subject of the verb.
Прислушались.
Means we listened or we heeded, pronounced roughly.
Preslушались.
This is the past tense, perfective aspect of the verb.
Прислушиваться.
Prislu shivat'sya, meaning to listen attentively or to heed. The perfective aspect indicates a completed action.
К.
A preposition meaning to or towards, indicating the direction or recipient of the action. Pronounced.
К.
Similar to the English to, it shows the object of the preposition вам.
Вам.
Means to you, plural, formal or informal. Pronounced.
Вам.
This is the dative case of the pronoun
Вы.
vi, meaning you, plural, formal or informal. The dative case marks the indirect object of the verb.
Прислушались. И.
A conjunction meaning and. Pronounced.
И.
It connects two clauses, showing the two actions are related.
Сделали.
Means we made or we did. Pronounced.
Сделали.
This is the past tense, perfective aspect of the verb.
Делать.
Dilat, meaning to make or to do. Similar to preslушались. It indicates a completed action.
Постер.
Means poster. Pronounced.
Постер.
This is a borrowed word from English, retaining similar pronunciation. Putting it together.
Мы прислушались к вам и сделали постер. Двойной апостроф.
Means we listened to you and made a poster. Or we heeded your suggestions and made a poster. Quote. It implies a response to feedback or requests.